on, guys? Today I'm about to clean these wheels. My wheels using Super Clean all wheel cleaner and Super Clean the aerosol spray. It's a foam degreaser. Now usually my wheels don't be that dirty because I often keep them clean, so I don't have to use a lot of times the degreaser and the wheel cleaner. But this time I got, if you can see, I got like grass all stuck to it because when I cut the grass I didn't move my vehicle, and that's what happened. So that's all I'm gonna do because I don't like to do all that scrubbing. Let me see. All right, so what I just do is let me open this top because I need two hands. Kind of hard to open these, spin these bottles with the with just one hand. So let me open this top real quick. All right, guys, it's open. So let me spray. It comes out real foamy. So I do have some pitting, but that's over the years. And I kind of bought these wheels. Had these wheels a long time ago, so I'm not much worried about that. All right. Now, after I spray that down, after I spray the wheel cleaner down real good, I take the degreaser, spray that on the tire, real good. And as you can see, I don't know if you see how it turned brown already? Now this stuff is good. I don't have to do a lot of scrubbing. Sometimes if I use tire shine, I'll scrub it the next time, but if I don't use tire shine, I don't really scrub it with a brush the next time, but you can use a brush. But you see, you don't want to leave the stuff on too long because you don't want to mess up your rims or nothing like that. So I let that sit for like 30 seconds and then I rinse it off with the hose. Now, honestly, a power washer would be better for this, but if you got a hose, just turn it on, as you can see that, I turn it on jet, and then I rinse it off. Now you don't want to let it sit on that chrome too long. But you see all that dirt coming off of there, man. Now my vehicle without the rims I use awesome, but this stuff, you see how all that that grass and stuff came right off of there, and that's what I like. I like for that stuff to come right off. That way you ain't got to do a lot of scrubbing. And then usually when I finish cleaning, I let it air dry, and then I put a little tire shine on my tires, and I go over and put a little wheel wax on the rims. But I'm gonna show you that in the other video. When I wax the whole vehicle, I'm gonna wax the wheels, and I'm gonna show you how I wax the wheels, the rims on here. But this video was just about how to use that Super Clean degreaser for the wheels that's come out the aerosol can, and then the all wheel cleaner by Super Clean, which is a great product, by the way. So I have no problem with those products. All right, just make sure you got all that stuff off because you don't want to leave none of that stuff on. So tarnish your rims. Just make sure you rinse it real good. Oh yeah. And that way, you don't have to do a lot of scrubbing. Now, obviously, if you got a lot of dirt on your wheels and a lot of caked up dirt, you want to do scrubbing. But like I said, I don't have to use the scrub brush because I clean my wheels often. So there you go. Nice, clean 26-inch wheel. Yep. Nice and clean. See how this stuff came right off of there without all that scrubbing? All right, guys, and that's it. I highly recommend y'all pick y'all up some if y'all got some chrome wheels or just trying to keep your wheels clean with low maintenance. So don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, share this video, turn the notification bell on for future videos, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. I'm out.
Perfect.